Happy Vlogmas Day. Oh, let me show y'all this real quick. Look at this, how they set up one of these shops. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Babe, move up some more. Babe, can you move up a little bit more? I'm very particular, y'all. Look where he want me to step to get in the car. Such a princess. That's such a brat, right? Babe, just be nice.
Nothing to do right this, so yes.
Babe, you have this right here. What's on the floor? They piss and they shit there.
Ooh.
I don't want to step there. The dogs. Why I'm gonna want to step right there? I'm about to say something. Take that damn thumb and just break it. That's where royalty get it from. Somebody asks her something, she be like, girl, bye. Today is Vlogmas Day. What's today, Greg? Y'all, let me tell you something. I'm behind in Vlogmas. That's just it. I am behind. Let me see what today is. Vlogmas Day 12. Oh, y'all, we getting closer. Closer to Jamaica. Yeah, so. Oh, gosh. Poochie be having some nice stuff. Oh, look at this, Greg. It's a Hello Kitty train. You know that's probably in China or something. Mm-hmm. Right? Yeah, that's probably in China or something. Let me see. If you were born in May, you could fight.
At November, these be the people that have an issue with you for an entire year, then let it out on a random Tuesday morning.
I'm
straight
done.
Off the bus. Ming, ming. You like, yo, what's good? Know what I'm saying? Just crazy.
That's
Next
insane.
up, we got August. Now, this is the month of straight bullies. All bullies were born in this month. They are the aggressors. They will start something and then finish something immediately.
I'm done.
Immediately. With no questions, just answers. Next up, we got January. These be the girls that got always an attitude, and they got 25 brothers, and she got hands also. Not even just the fellas. The girls be having hands. And lastly, September. Nonchalant problem finishers.
Period.
Really problem finishers.
Period.
They do it nonchalant, just quiet and chill,
and
but they gonna handle you.
Yep.
If you're born in any of these months, you...
Period. You heard what he said? Mm-hmm. We the problem finishers. September. Big up yourself if you was born in September. Yeah, so we have been getting stuff together for this trip, and I find out again that we have to fill out, and this could be information for you as well if you plan on traveling to Jamaica. I don't know what the other countries require, but you have to fill out this, what is it, babe? C5, right? A C5 form, which is authorization to get into the country. So you fill it out, they'll email you back and let you know we accept your invitation into the country, so on and so on. And you have to show that at some point in time, I think at the airport or when you land, something. So, yeah, so you have to fill that out. We've been getting stuff together with the suitcases. I do have some stuff to show y'all. As far as my husband got some locks. I don't know if anybody may be traveling. You might want to use this lock for your suitcase. Also, I have to show you my beauty products that some stuff that I'm taking with me. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, and it does feel weird in a sense of, because yeah, I know I always say I love Christmas. If you've been watching, you know I love Christmas. And I love Christmas shopping. I love the wrapping. Me and my husband usually does it like the day before or 2 days before. We're like up late listening to music and rapping and stuff like that. It's very different this year because we're going away for Christmas, which I will take that over any gift, honestly. Over unwrapping any gift. And me and hubby usually exchange gifts and stuff like that, but the best gift he could give me is himself. That's the greatest gift, honestly. I'm not trying to sound cliche, because I know y'all like, bitch, I want a gift. Yes, we love gifts. We love getting things, but honestly, I'm blessed that it is Christmas all year for me. That is no shade. That is not being boastful. That is reality. That's really my life. Like, so there isn't anything particular that I would want right now that I can't get right now, or I can't get it tomorrow, or when I come back, or next week, whatever. It's no biggie. I am happy to be going away. That's what I'm really happy about. I'm very grateful. And we're very, very blessed. So. Just listen and don't judge. What I'm supposed to show y'all. Oh, yeah, I just took a nap in the car. It was so good. It was so good. Let me go to what I gotta show y'all. So the one thing I wanted to show y'all, right? My husband got these locks, right? Greg, you could create your own code. Mm-hmm. Okay, you could create your own code. I don't know what the lock is called, the brand. Sure Lock. Yeah, so these are really, really good to have on your suitcase that don't come with lock. Our others, they come with locks. So, but yeah, if you're looking for a lock for your suitcase, Sure Lock. The link will be in the description box. Also, I have a pack of hair, and that's because I was trying to decide if I was gonna take this hair with me, because I can actually do a few different styles with my hair when my hair is permed, and I like the long braid look. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it looks like this. Yeah. So like maybe one day, when I go out to eat or so, I could kind of put that in my hair, long braid with a little side part, a little swoop. Yeah. So I am taking some smell goods with me. I was undecided. My husband made me put all of this in the bag. I have some Illuminate Me, a co-creation by Vaseline shimmering body oil. This right here is a go-to, a must-have. I ordered that from Amazon. I'm also taking, I also have my tanning copper tone. Yeah, this is moisturizes skin for a radiant tan, lightweight, non-greasy. So yes, this is SPF 15. So you know your girl is going to be fully tanned, okay? So yes, I got me some of that. I also, for smell good, I'm gonna be taking my Bath and Body fragrance, Sweet Pea. Smells very, very good. I'm gonna be taking the designer dupe, of Covered in Roses, which I believe smells like, babe, which one I said this smells like? Oh, God, something Lena. Oh, gosh. Y'all, I don't remember. But, yes, it smells very good and smells exactly like it. I'm also going to be bringing, I don't know why I'm bringing this, Coach Poppy. It's only a little bit in here, but I can't find another bottle to put the rest in. But I'm going to be taking Coach Poppy by Coach. I'm also going to be taking some Cucumber Melon Ultimate Hydration Body Cream from Bath & Body. I'm also going to be taking Vanilla Romance, another mist. And I have some perfumes here that I'm going to be taking. I'm going to be taking my Jimmy Choo. I'm also going to be taking, what's this called? Sapphire by Element Edition. It smells so good, y'all. And now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even need all of these. And Pure. Crystal by Pure. This smells so good. Oh, gosh. Yeah, so I don't even think I need all of it. I don't think I'm going to bring Poppy. Yeah, I'm leaving Poppy. I'm not taking all of these. It's insane. I'm leaving. Huh? Huh?
Bring them down.
Well, husband said bring them. He want his wife to be smelling good, good. All right, husband. My husband said bring them, no man. I'm taking 2 bras, black and a neutral color. You always need a neutral. I have my lashes that I'm going to be taking. These are the magnetic lashes. I have my wig cap. I have my bathing suits. So, here I have my jewelry. So, of course, I got the bust down watch. I got the Ghetto Girl earrings. I have my bracelets. I have my bracelets that I'm gonna be wearing probably mostly every day. I have these kind of earrings, pretty date night, flowy dress type of style earring. I have my bust down anklet. I have my S earrings, which go with the S chain that I am waiting for. I have some evening wear earrings. Then I have these little earrings I could just put on if I want to go like to the beach. I don't want to be too extra. I have my nose rings, of course. I have some extra hoops here. No, y'all know I love my hoops. And yeah, so I also have my clip-ins that I'm gonna be taking. I am gonna also be taking my Kurt Geiger bag, because you know your girl got the sandals for it. This is just some beauty stuff that I have that I'm gonna be taking. So I have this by Airspun loose what is it, loose face powder. Gonna be taking that. I just learned how to put this on, make your makeup look nice and smooth, and you know, that clean finish look. This is Shine Control by Rude. I found it in Marshall's. Never tried it, but we're gonna see. This is the makeup like setting spray. I got my brushes that I'm gonna be using. I have my lipsticks. I got my Fenty foundation. I have, what else? I have my e.l.f. melting balm. I'm waiting for my face products from them. I have my contour stick. I have, yeah, have my powder puffs. That's what I like to call them. So now in this bag I got, this is like gel, edge control basically. I'm going to be taking these, a comb, a brush, edge control brush, little mini flat iron, big flat iron. Definitely going to be taking my MCM bag. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. I just finished eating. Listen, y'all, I am getting it together. I know the videos are not coming as they should, but at least they're coming. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Vlogmas Day 13. Okay, I just got some new stuff in the mail too. So stay tuned for that. And I will show you guys tomorrow the rest of the goodies. All right, later.